5 tips on how to sell stuff quicker on Craigslist. Unlock the secrets to selling faster on Craigslist with these expert tips. If you've ever tried to sell something on Craigslist and found yourself waiting weeks or even months for a buyer, you're not alone. Many sellers struggle with the same issue: items lingering, unsold, endless back and forth messages, and ultimately a lot of frustration. That's where this guide comes in. We've gathered some proven strategies to help you streamline your selling process and get your items off your hands quickly. Whether you're a Craigslist newbie or a seasoned seller, these tips will help you navigate the marketplace more effectively and boost your chances of closing deals faster. So without further ado, let's dive into how you can transform your Craigslist selling game and get those items sold in absolutely no time. The first tip is to understand the right marketplaces. The first thing you need to grasp is that not all marketplaces are created equally. Your chances of selling that vintage lamp or those barely worn running shoes are greatly influenced by choosing the right platform. Craigslist, eBay, and Amazon each have their sweet spots when it comes to the type of items they're best suited for. Let's break it down. For Craigslist, think local. It's your go-to hub for things that are bulky, heavy, or generally too much of a hassle to be shipping. We're talking furniture, used appliances, sporting gear, and even event tickets. The beauty of Craigslist is its locality. No shipping means people are more likely to buy larger items they can come pick up. Plus, if your item is priced just right, buyers are often willing to negotiate and close the deal rather quickly. eBay, on the other hand, realm is more specialized in collectibles. If you've got rare coins, vintage toys, or niche electronics, this is where you can reach a wider, sometimes international audience. eBay's auction-style listing can also be a huge advantage for items that have fluctuating demand. Lastly, Amazon. If you're selling something new or in like-new condition, Amazon is your playground. It's perfect for books, new electronics, or really anything factory sealed. The platform's trust, guarantees, and wider customer base means you can often fetch a higher price for the goods you're offering. Knowing where your item fits best can save you time and headaches. Listing those spare kitchen cabinets on eBay might leave you hanging forever, but post them on Craigslist and you might be surprised at how fast they'll be gone. The key takeaway? Play to each marketplace's strengths and you'll sell your items quickly without breaking a sweat. Now let's move on to some common struggles and how you can tackle them head on. Selling on Craigslist by no means is an easy task. Countless sellers encounter roadblocks that delay sales or results in no sales at all. One major pitfall is incorrect market listings. Have you ever posted like an antique chair under electronics? Well, mistakes like that can make potential buyers scroll right past your ad without a second glance. Another common struggle is poor ad presentation. Think about it. A blurry, dimly lit photo with a vague description isn't exactly screaming "buy me." Effective ads are the ones that catch the eye right away and make it easy for buyers to just say yes. Take it from Courtney Baker, who turned her smartphone hobby into a small profit-making venture. Courtney learned that being on the ball with clear photos, a sweet and simple description, and highlighting key features like warranty status and accessories can make all of the difference. Her ads always stood out because they were direct, appealing, and packed with info buyers actually care about. Don't let these common struggles trip you up. By pinpointing and addressing these issues, you're already on the fast track to making those sales sooner. The third tip is crafting effective Craigslist ads. Creating top-notch Craigslist ads can feel like an art form, but it's one that is well worth mastering. Let's break down the magic formula for crafting ads that not only grab attention, but compel potential buyers to actually take action. First things first, they say a picture is worth 1,000 words, and nowhere is this truer than on Craigslist. Include high-quality photos taken in good lighting from multiple angles. Make sure the images are clutter-free, giving your item the spotlight it deserves. If you're selling a piece of furniture, for example, show it in situ, but avoid messy backgrounds that can be distracting. Your headline is your first impression, so make it count. Be specific and descriptive. Skip the generic "great deal" and opt for "gently used solid oak dining table." This ensures that your listing appears in relevant search results, making it easier for the right buyers to find you. When it comes to the text portion of your advertisement, more is more. Providing a detailed description includes dimensions, condition, brand, model, and any unique features. Be honest about wear and tear. Transparency builds trust and can actually speed up the sale process. If buyers know exactly what to expect, they're less likely to hesitate or back out. Setting the right price is crucial. Do a little homework. Check what similar items are selling for in your area and price competitively. Remember, buyers on Craigslist love to haggle, so consider setting your price slightly higher to leave room for negotiation. However, stay within a reasonable range to avoid scaring off potential buyers. Creating a sense of urgency can also be a powerful motivator. Indicate in your listing that you need to sell by a certain date. Phrases like must sell by this weekend can prompt quick decisions from potential buyers, making it more likely you'll sell faster. By focusing on these ad crafting strategies, you'll boost your chances of catching a buyer's eye and closing the deal more quickly. It's all about making it as easy as possible for someone to say, yes, I want that. The fourth tip is to implement selling techniques. All right, now that we've covered the basics, let's dive into some tried and true selling techniques to turbocharge your Craigslist success. Stand out from the crowd by adding a bit of personality to your ads. Instead of a dull and generic listing, add a few sentences about why you're selling the item or how it served you. For example, this bicycle has been my trusty ride for morning coffee runs. Time for someone else to create some memories with it. While it is tempting to dump every single little detail about the item, remember, people are scanning through multiple listings. Keep it simple. Just stick to the essentials. Mention the brand, model, condition, and any unique features. Bullet points work wonders to keep the information digestible. Got multiple items to sell? Bundling can be a great way to sweeten the deal. If you're selling a camera, for instance, include the case, extra lenses, and memory cards as part of the package. This not only provides value, but can also clear out more of your stuff in one go. Cut down on the fluff and avoid too much jargon. Clear, concise language is your best friend when writing in your ad. Phrases like gently used, well-maintained, or like new instantly give buyers an idea of what to expect. Before finalizing your price, do a bit of research. Look at similar listings on Craigslist and other marketplaces to see what others are charging. This helps in setting a competitive price that attracts buyers while ensuring a fair deal on your end. Don't forget to mention if the price is firm or if you're open to negotiations. This can save both you and potential buyers a lot of time. By personalizing your ads, simplifying and clarifying details, bundling items, and setting competitive prices, you'll appeal more effectively to potential buyers. Implement these selling techniques and watch your Craigslist listings turn into cash faster than your morning coffee cools down. My fifth tip is to reflect on the selling process. Taking a moment to reflect on your selling journey can offer invaluable insights that improve future transactions. Start by reviewing what worked and what didn't. Did specific ad descriptions get more inquiries? Were there particular times of day when you received the most interest? One of the personal experience that profoundly highlighted the importance of reflection with Jason's journey was selling his vintage record collection. Initially, he only posted a brief description and a single blurry photo. Not surprisingly, interest was low, but after tweaking his strategy, incorporating detailed descriptions, adding multiple clear photos, and even sharing a snippet about his favorite record, Jason noticed a significant uptick in interested buyers. His sales didn't just become quicker, they also became more enjoyable as he interacted with fellow vintage enthusiasts. Looking to the future, consider keeping a journal or notes on your selling processes. Jot down which tactics brought the most success and which ones fell flat. Additionally, make a plan for research and buyer interactions to tailor your ads even more effectively. Personal stories and lessons learned, like Jason's record collection triumph, can be a goldmine for selling insights that make your next Craigslist endeavor even more successful. In essence, it's about learning and evolving. Reflect on every sale, big or small, and use the knowledge to perfect the art of selling on Craigslist. Happy selling!